Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? At work? Neck has been stuck in place, unable to look anywhere but forward. Well, that's good because today it's very important that you don't look behind you. You guys remember the bean, right? And just to confirm, you guys can all still hear me, right? That's not broken again? Hey, Blaze Killer, how's it going? Oh, good, you guys can hear me. Yes, Kira, I know you can. Can you? Don't mess with me on this. Someone serious in chat, let me know if you can hear me. We all do, Kira. Alright, thanks, Alec. Al the pal. Alright, so, new scene. We're going to do something pretty interesting. We're going to create a plane. Right there. I'm going to give it the default texture. And let's see what we're going to do with this. Let's reset this transform. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Yes, you can hear me, Kira. Alright, let's see. Let's turn off the triangles. How do I do that? Well, I guess that's fine. Doing alright, Blaze Killer. We're gonna do something pretty interesting that I have not told you yet because I don't feel like it. Make that 10 by 10 by 10. That should be good enough. And are you ready for it, guys? Are you ready? Bean. There he is. It's the bean. He's back. We can make it a wooden bean. This is going to be our player. And for those of you confused, we're not starting over anything, nothing like that. What we're doing right now is working on something I very much enjoy, which is AI. We're going to be creating some NPC characters that can follow the player around. And that's why you don't look behind you. Blue light. I like that idea a lot. We want it to be a nice light blue though. Oh no, you're asking why the screen is so warm. I don't know. It's a new monitor. That might be the case. That's fine, but we made the light blue anyway. That should kind of counteract it just a little bit. Go back into our scripts real quick, and we'll put the player controller on. We don't need all that stuff, do we? We can just start it, right? Oh, I guess we need the camera. Camera controller, and we can put the camera there. Ten times 10. That's just some extra space. Okay, you know what? We'll do these from scratch over here. Let's remove you. And remove you. Title fish game. Well, this title is Test World. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so we're going to move this over here. Make that 0. Make this 1 point. Let's call it 1.64. Alright. And we're just going to make a new script. Test underscore character controller. Just gonna put that on the player. Put it on the player. There we go. And let's just go and open it up. And we're gonna do some stuff. That's good, Kira, that's good. I cannot wait. Alright, welcome back to programming. Time to change all this stuff because it doesn't automatically do that for me. If you put your open brackets on a new line, there's something wrong with you. Doing it like this makes so much more sense. Anyway, gonna use Unity Engine. We need to require a component here. Require component. Type of character controller. And that way it's just gonna add one for us whenever we start, if it's not there already. Make a public float speed. Now it would be a good time to ask, how do you guys feel about like more code-oriented streams? I can explain what I'm doing if anyone has any questions. Alright. So after we go ahead and put all this code in, this is just so that we can move around, and then we'll go and get started on the fun stuff. Welcome back, Blaze Killer. This is gonna be what we're doing for just a bit so that we can, you know, actually do stuff. Transform direction, vector 3 right. If input.get button. Okay, I think we're almost done with this. I probably should have set this all up before stream. I do apologize to everyone. Okay. Now, at the very least, we should be able to move around and stuff. So, let's see what we want for our values. I do have these written down. We're gonna have speed as 7.5, jump speed 8, gravity 20. We need to put the camera in here. Look speed, want that to be 2, and that should be 45. Okay, so now we should be able to move around. Oh. Well, the camera doesn't follow the player. Not yet. Right, my bad. Gotta do this so that it follows it, and then we should be able to do stuff. You know, I don't know why this is not really moving correctly. Let me see this. Default. There we go. That's much better. Okay, nice. Now we can really see what we're doing. Might make that even bigger just so that... There we go. That's what you want to see. Okay, so now we can move around and we're going to do some stuff in this. So now we're going to create an NPC. And you guessed it, it's also going to be a bean. Capsule. We're going to reset his transform. Bring it up to position 1. And then we're just going to move him over a little bit. What's his name, guys? What's our NPC's name going to be? Need some suggestions in chat. What's our NPC's name going to be? That's quite a name. Any objections to that name? Alright, it looks like that's going to be the name. Alright, there he is. McBundislerton Sonninglerton. There he is. And we're just gonna give it some... Okay, no. First we need to make the Nav Mesh. So let's go ahead and add some obstacles here so that he can't just come straight for us, you know? He can't just rapidly approach our location. Let's get him a bit farther away. That's a bit too far. Alright. And we're just gonna make a cube. Give it default. Give them both hitboxes and let him get real up close and personal. Don't worry, he's gonna get real up close and personal. Joseph. Well, we can't really do that anymore. His name has been decided. It's out of our hands. Alright, I'm down with that. Joseph McBundislerton Singleton. There he is. Doink. Okay. So we need to make all these static objects. So we're going to select them all. And we need to make them navigation static. And we'll go to the navigation window, the bake tab, and then press bake. There we go. And we started baking. We have baked these things. Let's see. It's going to be a Nav Mesh agent. And let's see here. Hello, Hannaberry. Yes, there's lots of cubes around. We can make them something else if you like. What should we put in here? Let's put a quad. What does a quad look like? Oh no, that's just a square. I guess I should have expected that. Shaft. Not seeing shaft. Kakyo and make a triangle. I will do my best to make a triangle for you. Let's see how this looks first. Why do you just bounce on top of that? That's weird. Should be able to move it. Anyway. There's the agent. Doesn't do much of anything just yet, but that will change very soon. Let's move our directional light just a bit. Or rather, we can duplicate it. Move it over here. And then turn it. And we're just going to change the intensity down to 0.5. Same thing with the other one. And that way we just have some more even shadows and we can actually see what's going on a bit better. Alright, so everyone say hello to Joseph. Okay, what was requested? We make a triangle? Let's do that. Let's make a triangle. I like triangles. Triangles are neat. So for that we need, let's see, we can use Pro Builder to do that. So we're going to go to, I believe it's Tools. Pro Builder window. Oops, open on this side. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this. Going to create a new object. Going to bring it up here. And we're going to turn this into a triangle. Or did you want a triangle or a pyramid, Kakyoan? Did you want a triangle or a pyramid? Alright, we're going to do a pyramid. So, we've got this right here. Go ahead and align it as best we can to the floor. What if there's a day-night cycle and then when night bigger and meaner enemies come out and you can either hide on an island or fight a bunch of mini-bosses? Well, the game is, well, okay, I will say right now it's not much of a survival game. There aren't much survival mechanics. But yeah, we can absolutely look into like a day-night cycle and change up what comes out at night compared to the daytime. Rocket League's pretty fun. How do I combine points? I forgot how to do that. Well, I suppose we don't really need to, huh? Kakyoin, is this pyramid adequate? Should it be like bigger, or what do you think? Wider. Okay. We can do that. Take this edge. There we go. It's a bit wider. Hey, thanks for the 10 out of 10. Oops, I lifted it up off the ground a little bit. Alrighty. Should be able to just go ahead and zoop, zoop. Failed to create agent because it's not close enough to the Nav Mesh. Well, let's fix that. I guess it didn't create the mesh at all. So let's go ahead and I think we can select everything actually. And then navigation, bake, bake. Did it do it now or? Just a moment, y'all. Technical difficulties while I figure out why it's not making the nav mesh for us. Okay, so we need to actually select the plane as a static as well, navigation static, and then now we should be able to make that. There we go, that's what we want. So see all the blue area, that's where the agent's gonna be able to walk. So where did he go? Ah, he's behind there. There he is. Joseph. Broseph. There he is. Alrighty. Let's see here. Bundizler. Broseph Bundizler. Mick Bundizler, rather. Okay, so now we need to go ahead and add movement to him. Okay. Well, we do need a new script for that. I'm just gonna call it test npc follow. Gonna go ahead and open that up. Oh, well, okay. As it turns out, guys, I did actually what's the word? I did actually put one of these together, so I will just go ahead and copy paste that in and change the name. Let me just go ahead and pull that up. If you guys want, I can explain how it works. So cool, but looks confusing. That's why I only draw stuff. Oh well, if you draw stuff, that's a very good talent to have, drawing stuff. And as for its complicatedness, it just really takes very specific knowledge to know how to do this kind of thing. Like anyone could do what I do here. All they gotta do is, you know, do some research on it. Okay, I should be able to just paste this in, hopefully. Stop. Yeah, no errors. Oops. Alrighty. We'll go ahead and close out of that. We can add this to Mr. Joseph over here. Mr. McBundislerton's son Englerton. There we go. Go back to the inspector. There's the thing right there. And we're going to follow the transform of the player. I believe that's all we need to do. Oh yeah, if you wanted to like help make concept art and stuff, Hannaberry. Alec, can you go ahead and... Oh, he's following me. There he is. You can go ahead and join the public Discord server for this project. He's fast. And yeah, that's basically how you make follower AI. How close does he actually get to me? Does he kill me? Oh, that's a little too close, buddy. I'm gonna back away from you. Well, all he does is follow for now. We can make him do other stuff. I'm on top of him. Can't get me now. Take that. Maybe make him stop at you instead of pushing, unless you want him to do stuff. Lol. SCP in a fishing game. I mean, oh, there he is. Alright. I mean, I guess we can actually have him do stuff, but this is more just to kind of show how this is done. Oh, is he floating? He should not be floating. Hey, buddy. Back off. Can you just find me anywhere? He's patrolling. He doesn't know where I am. Oh, there, he knows where I am. Oh my god. That's actually kind of scary. Oh no. But anyway, that's how we're doing that. Let's go ahead and figure out why he is floating. Should be able to turn down the base offset. Make it like 0. Let's see if he's still floating then. Check what happens when he pushes you into a box. Glitches. Okay, we'll figure that. We'll check that out. Oh, that's he's in the ground now. Alright, push me into a box, buddy. No, he just kind of... I think the collision is actually good enough that he just doesn't do much. But okay, he's in the ground. We don't want him in the ground. Let's make that like 0.9. All we need is... he's a midget. I can't stand on him. That's pretty funny. There we go. No longer a midget. Onward, noble steed. No? Not onward. Alright, well. Okay, I'm just gonna add a line of code real quick to our test character. Imagine he steals fish slowly every second he's in contact with something. That'd be pretty funny. And the fish is your health. So what I want is cursor lock mode. Can I? Okay. Damberg, how's it going? I think that's it. That is not it. What is that? Okay, I might find a piece of code there. Cursor lock state, got it. I'll just copy paste that over. I always forget that line of code. Actually there, James. Oh, okay. Hannaberry, okay. Yeah, no, it does kind of suck. I don't recognize a lot of the names between Twitch and Discord. But, yeah, alright. If you want to go ahead and, what's it called? I mean, if you do want to learn stuff like this, I'm more than happy to teach. Let's go ahead and get back over to the scene. And now, when we play, it'll lock the mouse cursor in place so it's not, well, oh, there he is. That way it's not gonna, you know, float all over the place. Can we do like parkour? Kind of. Oh, I thought he lost me for a second. He just kind of stopped moving. Oh, you went through that. That's illegal, buddy. Hey, you're not supposed to go through that there. Yeah. He's going through that too. Why are you going through stuff? I can interact with it. Oh, he doesn't know where I am when I'm on this box. That's interesting. What is that thing called? Like the effect when it shows someone's going insane. What is that effect called? Because this is that. This right there. Oh no. Oh, he's holding me by my collar over the edge of the world. Do it, you coward. You won't. Yoink. We can play leapfrog with him. I want to try to get on top of that one. Yeah, almost. Gotta get him in the right place. I don't know, that might be possible. That should definitely be possible. There we go, we got on top of it. Imagine he just pushed you off and followed you off. That'd be funny, but unfortunately the Nav Mesh does stop him on the edge, so that sucks. But he can't get me up here. Okay, let's find out why he's pushing us. Stopping distance. That seems critically important. Stopping distance. Stopping distance is 0. Alright guys, what is it called? Proximity warrant? What is it called? What is that thing called when someone can't come within like 10 feet of you? I don't remember what that's called. But that's basically what we're doing. We're going to keep him 10 feet away. You know what? What do we know? I don't know what we know. Now he should just stop if we get too close. There we go. You gonna come get me? Huh? I reckon next week will be interesting. Yeah, I agree. Next week is gonna be very interesting. I can't wait. Social distancing. Ah, 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 ah. Well, this isn't really an enemy, Blazekill. This is more like he kind of became that just because, you know, the way he aggressively follows us. But this is supposed to be like an NPC that you interact with in game. We'll add like a character model and everything, and yeah, he'll follow you off an island. What you gonna do now, huh? What you gonna do now? Oh, you're getting way too close, buddy. You're not supposed to get that close. There we go. That's much more like it. Okay, I think he just gets confused when there's something between. He gets a lot closer that way. You walk into a town and everyone starts following you. That'd be terrifying. That is an actual nightmare. Do you just automatically bounce? You do. You automatically bounce off his head. That's interesting. Okay, you guys want to make this really interesting? Like really, really interesting? Here's what we'll do. We will change his speed to 7. His stopping distance to -1. So he should just keep pushing us. Like a lot very quickly. And let's see here. Yeah, let's go for it. He should be extremely quick now. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Avoiding. Avoiding. Is he faster than us? He is. He's faster than us. There's the snail, except fast. Haha, loser. Haha, loser. Oh, that's not good. Oh, okay. No, 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 thank you. Alright, just keeps double jumping. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's like a wolf. Oh no, oh no. Wait, okay, that's some odd behavior. Why is he circling me? He is like a wolf, he's circling his prey. But yeah, this could be like interesting for like a virtual tag kind of game, you know? Where you can play by yourself and there's going to be some AI characters you can set their difficulty based on how fast they can find you and their speed. Then you can also actually have like real multiplayer where you can actually just play with another person. Yeah, I figured he is going past because of -1, but also I was kind of hoping that would just mean he pushed me faster. We can set that back to 0. Oh no, it did. It automatically set that to 0. We can put like 0.1. And that way he should just get right up in our face, but not actually push us. Alright, let's see. I don't know why I added this barrel thing. It was just really fun. Oh, okay, there he is. Are you still pushing me? Interesting. He is still pushing me. He's like just as fast as I am. Okay, I see what we're doing. We don't have math clamp on. So, well, you can walk regularly, but if you walk at a diagonal, you go a little bit faster. Excuse me. So then, by that logic, if we put it to like 0.5, he should actually just, you know, kind of leave us alone, but not really. Can you make an AI that runs from you at a certain distance and make it so you have to chase it into a corner? That would be pretty interesting, yeah. We could go for that. We'll do that next. Okay, do you still circle me? That's my question. No, you start pushing me again. That's not good. Alright, maybe like, let's say 0.75 question mark. Interesting NPC. Yeah, no, we'll go for that next. So, hi friend. Nope, still pushes me. Maybe just 1. Let's make it 1. 1.05. And then maybe he'll actually just stop in front of me like a normal person. You know, when I go meet people on the street, I just ram into them like Mr. Joseph here. Oh, he stopped. Oh, he doesn't know personal space very well. That's very nice, Robert. No, Joseph. It was not Robert, it's Joseph. That's my bad. Should be at the start of the game, so you don't know why some NPCs are running from you. When you corner them, you can talk to them and find out about creepy things happening in the ocean. Yeah, I know, like, I like the idea, like, if our player is like, he doesn't belong here, then, you know, he's kind of just, like, people would be terrified of him, you know? People should be terrified of him. Random guy falls out of the sky. I'd run. I want him to run through the barrel. There we go. So he can interact with the barrel, he just won't. Where'd he go? Oh no, oh my god. That is terrifying. Like, that is legitimately terrifying. Kiro, get Joseph under control, man. He's not making me feel safe. Ow. Oh, you can b-hop, kind of. Not really. You can almost b-hop. Alright, so let's go do that thing. Don't even know the story on this too much. I know the post, but not how you guys want to do it. Can you put a picture of Jeff Bezos on his face? Okay, we'll do that first, so that he's chasing us, and then we'll chase him back. So, Blaze Killer, if you want to, I don't know how much of the story they're willing to tell you, but Kiro and McLovin, who I think is Ahahu in the chat, they're the ones working on the story, and a few others, but they're really the heads of the story right now. But basic premise, our protagonist kind of appears in this world. He goes fishing, and he finds a bunch of people who either also don't belong or they're very confused to see him. Kind of like what you're saying, and he's just trying to, you know, figure out what he needs to do here. Definitely want to talk to story people. Yeah, no, you can talk. Like, again, I'm not sure how much we should disclose or how much they feel like wanting disclosing, but you can absolutely talk to them about that. So let's go ahead and pull up a picture of Jeff Bezos, the most disturbing picture we can. Okay, which one, guys? Probably just his face, right? We want him directly looking at the camera. I kind of like this one, huh? You'll send me one. Alright. I'm looking forward to that. Google image search. Fantastic. Everyone go sign this petition. I don't know if it's still up. Let me go see if Kiro sent me that yet. Kiro, are you sure that's Jeff Bezos? I'm pretty sure that's Zuckerberg. I'm pretty sure that's Zuckerberg. Yo guys, this is Zuckerberg, right? Alright, I guess we'll do that instead. Oh, where's Mick? Is Mick here? Is Mick here? Is Mick here? Mick? Everyone ping Ahahu12 in chat. He needs to see this. The Zuck. Anyway. Just waiting on Kiro then. He's gonna get me some very high quality, definitely Jeff Bezos and not Zuckerberg images. Well, I guess we will go ahead and start on the, how do you say, making the other thing run away from us. So I think the best way we can do that is by taking the player, giving it an empty child, call it target, and we basically want to set this a certain distance away. Let's see, like maybe right there. I think 8 blocks away is good. Blocks, it's Minecraft. Okay, so that target should be, okay, if we go over here, let's see here, I'll move this to the target instead, and then it should follow the target instead. Why are you, okay. You're scared of me. Oh, I can kind of move him around. Well, that's definitely not what I want. Can I push him off the map? No, he won't. He's too scared. He's too frightened. Shh. It's okay. Okay, well, Kiro just sent me the picture that I'm going to now bring up here. There it is. Alpha's transparency, apply. There we go. And we're just gonna go ahead and it should have worked. No, that's unfortunate. Create a material. We'll call it Zuck. And we'll just make this the base map. No, can't? Can, yes. Perfect. Kira, I hope this is what you wanted. Is this what you wanted, Kira? You've condemned us all. Now all that's left to do is make sure it actually turns to look at us. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, it turns a lot. You know we can jump off the edge, right? Whee! Bye, Zuck. Okay, well, evidently that's not what we want. That's not what we don't want the we don't want Zuckerberg here to we don't want him to just, you know, follow our cursor everywhere. We want him to actually run away from us. So let's go ahead and move this back to here. And let's see. Open agent settings. No, that's not what we want. Okay, well, I will figure out how to honey DMs. Face someone. I'm not using that. I'm sorry, Kira, I'm not using that. We'll post that to the Discord server so that people can see it later. Okay, well, I will figure out how to do that, but for now, let's go ahead and get the Zuck to just chase after us. Bonk. Ow. That is definitely like the grounds for a boss fight, where something chases after you impossibly fast. You just kind of bonk off of them. But you gotta line it up properly, see? Bonk. Probably not a boss fight for lure, just because that's not really how the game works, but definitely interesting. Okay, so basically, I'm sure the next question everyone has is, how does this apply to lure? So, what we are going to do is, we're going to stop looking at Jeff Bezos memes first of all, and we are going to get a model of a person. Okay, well, I'm being forced to wait 26 seconds, so I'll see you all in 26 seconds. Oh no, I just found a better one. Never mind. Can't use that. If anyone was interested, this is what we're getting. Oop. We're gonna have this guy chase after us. Well, that doesn't make much sense. So, if anyone out there is creating a site where you can download 3D models, and you're gonna have them wait 20 seconds, but you're not gonna let them download it unless they're signed in, maybe prompt them to sign in before making them wait 20 seconds. Just a suggestion. But we are here. Let's go ahead and extract these. And we are going to have some fun with this. Okay, so let's go into our models over here. We should be able to just import this one. There he is. Okay, so we'll go back to materials and let's just, alright, we'll go ahead and make a material because it doesn't want us to use the other one, and we will call him Zuck. Looks nothing like Zuckerberg, but that's fine. Go ahead and put in the base map over here. Oh, we have to import it first. Oops, that's not what we want. We want to put it on this guy. No? Really? Oh. Zuck. Kind of. We need to brighten him up a lot. I don't remember how exactly to do that. I think this is the normal map. That is not the oh wait. Yeah, that's the normal map. Okay, well he's there. How do we make him bright? We're just gonna give him a light. There we go. Now he can always see us. Do 0 0 0. Alrighty. So, oh, we want to make that -1 instead, so he's on the ground. So now this guy's gonna follow us instead. Isn't that just terrifying? There he is. Oh my god. That's even worse than I thought it was gonna be. We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. He does kind of look like Zuckerberg. Not too much, but kind of. Let's remove the light. It's a bit distracting, actually. Okay. Isn't this light supposed to be? No, it's the other one, huh? Directional light. They're both facing the same way. That's weird. This is a businessman if ever I saw one. So yeah, that's how we're doing followers in AI. Ow. So if anyone's going to be following us in the game, that's how we're going to do it. And of course we'll have animations and everything. It's like he's really there. Sir, you only buttoned one button on your coat? That's not right, man. Whoop. He is just so fast. Is he is he faster than us? No, he's not, is he? Oh, that's death. Alright guys, with that I think we will be done for the day, unless anyone has any suggestions on what to do next. And you have any requests, it doesn't have to be directly related to lore. It could be related to anything else in game design if you want to just see something else. Up to you guys. This is totally off topic, but I just got a new bottle of hand soap for my bathroom, and it literally smells like river water. In a good way or a bad way, Damberg? I am curious. Did we ever finish Chat Island? We did not. We can work on that now. Back over to Fish Game. Yes, I do want to save. And we're back in Fish Game. It has gotten significantly foggier. I am going to be working on volumetric fog. The fog you see in game right now, that's like the how do you call you know, the early game, like 2000s 3D games fog, where it's just kind of a big ring around you and it just kind of stops all vision beyond it. I don't know what I expected from Untitled Freshwater, but it wasn't that. It's not bad. Alright, man. Well, interesting. I mean, that's really, excuse me, that's really all I gotta say is it's interesting. Okay, well that's not Chat Island. We want to go to Chat Island right over here. Zoop. There we are. I do think we're not going to completely finish Chat Island on stream. I will continue taking suggestions in the Discord server, but I definitely think this is going to be the kind of thing we just finish over time, off stream, off camera. Let's go and get the terrain thing back out. What was it? Where did I keep that? Terrain. There we go. Terrain toolbox. Things keep opening on my other monitor. I do not appreciate it. Okay. So terrain group over here. Okay. Let's see here. Chat Island is looking very penile. I mean, I have to agree completely, but also we could stop that right now if you like. What do you think about that, Kiro? Kira, I don't understand what brings you to say these things, but okay. Sure. Oh, that's not what we want. Kind of want to just, how do you make it round? You know? How do you make things round? That's definitely not round, but it's a start. Oh, you don't think, okay. You know, that I believe. But hey, you got us Chat Island, so I guess something in there is working. We're gonna go ahead and smooth height over here, make this a little rounder. We'll do some itty bitty those. There we go, Kira. Are you happy? That's not suggestible at all. That's a perfectly normal looking mountain. I don't know what you're talking about, man. Bigger. Better enjoy them while they're here. I'm gonna get rid of them in a couple seconds. Chat Island does not need these. I respectfully disagree with your opinion, sir. Ido. You made a grammatical mistake. I win the argument. But like actually though, it deserves them. Okay, Danberg, don't encourage him. Alright, you know what, just because of that, they're gonna be lopsided. It's all your fault. There, are you happy now? I'm not making them any bigger. No. 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 We're done here. There, this is exactly what Chat Island needs. Stalactites. Stalagmites. Mites are on the bottom. You know what, Kira? Alright. If you can get a non-developer to agree with you that Chat Island deserves this, then we will keep them in the game. Permanently. You heard me, permanently. Those of you in chat who aren't developers for this studio, Kiro's counting on you. Any non-developers, we need this. Yeah, Handenberg, you shouldn't have revealed your identity. I didn't know you were one of our developers. What if they approve on Discord? No, that's not good enough. They have to be here now. They have to be here to approve it. We just need a simple yes. That's true. Will no one provide it? You have until 10:30. You have 10 minutes. Blaze Killer coming in with a save. Alright, Kira, we'll keep him. He doesn't. Blaze Killer doesn't even know what he's approving. That's fine. Basically, Kiro wants these on the island. You know what, Kiro, you explain it to him in chat. No, not the volcano aspect of it. Yes, those Blaze Killer, yes. I told Kiro we'd keep them if he got approval from a non-mod, so because of you, that is a permanent part of the game. It will add some fun into a dark world. You know what? You know what? You guys are bringing me around to this idea. I approve. Oh, that's fine, Blaze Killer. Just you being here is great. Great to. I am not good. Where my brain emptied itself. Thank you for being here. That's what I'm gonna say. I do not want to see anyone say, "Climb the mountain balls again." Please, no, not again. You ever just stop and think, what has led me to this moment? You know? So, do you guys want a face reveal? Is that the kind of thing you guys want from me? Thank you, I know. Anyway, that's the end of that. So yeah, I definitely think we're not gonna finish Chat Island on stream. There are definitely more interesting things we can work on, such as major game mechanics. So I am thinking we wrap it up for today. What do you guys think? No, yeah, no, like mechanics are gonna be happening, but I'm thinking like that we can wrap it up for today. We will continue doing more fish game mechanics at a later date. You know, I was actually planning to go for an hour, but yeah, I absolutely do not mind going a bit longer. Alright, with that being said, Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay fishy out there. I always forget to say that. That's like our thing, because fish game. Do you guys do more work off stream? I mean, if we didn't, the game would probably never get done, you know? If we're only working on this once a week for like an hour or two. Yes, we are doing more work off stream. And speaking of, we do have another project coming up that we're excited to talk to you guys about. And you guys can expect a demo of Lure pretty soon. I'm not going to commit to an actual date. Yeah, we actually never work on it. We're not working on it right now. The game doesn't exist. You don't see anything. Yeah, I'm not gonna commit to an exact date on the demo, but it is coming. You guys will see that eventually. Yeah, no, I'm just actually taking the VOD from some other game developer and putting it up there. You'll never guess who it is. Anyway, guys, with that being said, I will catch you all on the flip side. Stay fishy out there, guys. You've never heard of the stream where a figment of your imagination. That's right, yes. And again, don't look behind you. You don't want to look behind you. Yes, nice to meet you. MEAT, yes.